I'm going to start with explaining what a rational number is. So rational number is it's basically everything that can be in a fraction. Irrational is if you can't write it as a fraction, then it's irrational. If you can write it as a fraction, it's rational. That's how I think of it. So if we go back, nope, wrong tab. If we go back here, right, can you write this as a fraction? Well, no. You can't, because there's a root here. So if it has a root, so root 9, obviously, 3 root 9 is, here, let me screenshot this so you guys can see. 3 root 9, that root 9 equals 3, right? But root 2, you can't write that as a fraction. So that's why this is irrational. This is a fraction, yes. Is it rational? No. So if we go more into depth with it, like a fraction, it needs to be a whole number. It needs to be not whole number, my bad. An integer over an integer. So integer meaning like 1, 2, 3, but also -7. So basically no fractions on the fraction. You can't have like root 9, yes, that's 3. So yes, but over pi, no, because pi is 3.14. That's not 1, 2, 3. So that's why it's irrational. With this one, so you have pi root 24 over root 6, and then pi squared, I'm just going to write that as a pi outside. So the pi's cancel out. And then you can cancel out root 6 here, so what you're left with is root 4. And then root 4 is 2. So this is really 2. So I'm going to say that's rational, because it's 2. Let me erase that. Sorry, you can screenshot it if you want. Just go back in the video. This makes things easier. And then, negative root 3 plus 2, that is irrational, because you can't write that as a fraction. Like a normal fraction. You can't. Into this expression. Okay, now I need to go back to the thing. This one's irrational. Because let me see. Oh, because one of the it's irrational because 1.8 is rational, but root 1/8 is irrational. So yeah, and then we can submit that. I think I went this. Let's